Hey guys, Sean Murphy here with Compass, and welcome to the beautiful community of the Pine Hills down here in Plymouth, Massachusetts. This is my newest listing, 7 Chipping Hill. This is the best view in the whole house. You're sitting in either one of these leather chairs right here. Huge fireplace, and then this amazing view down the 18th fairway of the Jones course. I mean, it's incredible. Football, fireplace. This is the best view in the whole house. This is my favorite room. You really can't beat this. Huge kitchen. High-end appliances everywhere, Subzero fridge, but it's all open to the rest of the house. Great for entertaining, great for cooking. I love this kitchen so much. The flow that it has between the rooms, it's great. It flows completely from that dining area to the deck and then right to this great room. So imagine having a huge roaring fire going, got a game on, football game, go Giants, and then you're cooking a little meal here. Kids are running around having a great time. Can't beat it. Unbelievable first floor master suite. Bay windows over there, get a ton of sunlight. You have this fireplace right here. There's a mounted TV there. You got 2 walk-in closets. We're gonna walk into this master bath. This master bath is beautiful, guys. Huge tub right there. You got a vanity on one side, vanity on the other. Beautiful built-in shower. And the last thing, radiant flooring in that bathroom. So during these cold months in New England, your feet will stay warm. Favorite parts about this house is the basement. It's a walkout basement. There's some doors right behind you right now. Full finished office down here with French doors that close it off. But you have so much space, guys. You have built-in bookshelves, ping pong table here. You could put a huge flat screen right there if you wanted to, frame it in with those bookshelves, but so much space. And by the way, I'll crush you at this. But then guys, if I turn you around, you got a whole nother living space over here with a fireplace, a little built-in bar down here. But check this out. We go right over here. You got this walkout right to the backyard. Golf course up there. Perfect spot down here for some chairs. A little solo stove. This house has it all. You have all the possibility to create an amazing little sanctuary in this house. Again, solo stove back here would be perfect.